Now we are going to collect data for the schedule. The program will calculate the lengths of ducts of different types and sizes, as well as the number of diffusers, grills, silencers, throttle valves, and fire dampers of different types. The calculation includes only objects created in AXON-vent. Click the Schedule button. Select Start New Project. Click the Collect Data button. Select Layers, where the objects of the systems are located. AXON-vent will check whether all the necessary information is specified in the drawings. Upon completion of the check, if there are no errors, the message data collection done is displayed. Click OK. These steps should be repeated for all drawings of the project. In our example, all plans are located in one drawing. Click the Project button. Click the Collect Data button. The calculation results are shown in the Excel file that can be saved under any name. In this file, the ducts are divided into groups by type, additional characteristics, and sizes. The lengths are shown as well. Now let's move to creating ventilation system sections.